Hello, how you doing? On the menu today we're going to be making this yellow dal, a nice kind of spicy Indian style lentil. I'm using moong dal for this. Now, if you're regular to the show, you may have noticed that there's not been a lot of vegan food popping up at the moment, and that's because we've got our own new vegan channel. So I'm putting this up today, and hopefully you're going to follow me on my new channel. I'll leave the link below and it'll pop up at the end. But yeah, let's get on with this one. It's wonderful. Okay, so this is really simple, this one. What I've got here is I've got my dal. I've got my yellow dal. This is a moong dal. What I've done with it, washed it, soaked it for like 2 hours, and I boiled it up. Took like another hour to cook. It's, you know, they're like little bullets. They're quite hard, but it's cooked now. 1 onion, 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste, some fresh curry leaves. If you can get these, they're fabulous. If not, try and get them dried. 2 teaspoons there of cumin seeds. And then here we've got 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm using a Kashmiri chili powder. And then 1 teaspoon of cumin, turmeric and coriander. We're going to add a couple other bits. You're going to need some water as well. But yeah, it's super easy, this, and absolutely wonderful. So you're going to need a pot or a pan or something like that. I'm going to do it in this big frying pan so it's, you know, it's easy for you to look at. I've got some oil in there and I'm using a mustard oil. You don't have to use mustard oil if you don't want. You could use something different. What we're going to do is we're going to drop in the cumin seeds. We're on quite a high heat, as you can hear. Then we're going to go in with the curry leaves. They can be really noisy sometimes. Let's check them out. And then we're going to drop in the onion. So stay on this high heat just for like 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it moving, and we'll have this done in absolutely no time. Wonderful stuff. We're now going to drop in our garlic ginger paste. Now, garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. You can make it yourself like we do here because we use loads of it, or you can buy it in a store depending on where you live. But yeah, you can get it in most stores these days. Then we're going to add our cooked dal, our yellow dal, and you can do this with any dal. Like I said, I'm using the yellow moong dal. You can use a different yellow dal if you want. At this stage I'm going to add some salt, and I didn't put any salt in when I boiled them, but you can if you want. Staying on this high heat again, about another 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it moving. We just want to get some lovely flavors onto the dal now. Absolutely wonderful. Next up, we're going to drop in our spices. So what we've got here is 1 teaspoon of coriander, cumin and turmeric, and 2 of chili powder. Also, didn't show you this earlier, but won't be complete without it. I've got some fresh chili, and I'm putting mine in just whole like that. Chop them if you want, and the amount that you put in is entirely up to you. Now keep it moving all the time now, because we don't want to burn our spices. Just a nice little mix there. Very simply, let's get some water and get that in. So I've got 500 ml there, half a litre, or just under a pint. All you've got to do now is get this down to just below a medium. And we let that go for about 20 minutes. If you wanted, you could have used coconut milk instead of water, but keeping this one really nice and easy and simple. Give it a stir every now and then. See you in about 20. Okay, so look, off goes the heat. We've got ourselves a really lovely little dal here. Now, if you wanted, like I said earlier, a little splash even of coconut milk might be nice. Or a little pinch of garam masala. I'm going to go in with some beautiful fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. And job is a good one. You've got a lovely, lovely dal there. Let me get that on a plate. And that is it, job done, absolutely beautiful. Nice with some rice or with some roti or paratha or something like that. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.